Okay, this is love hot pepper. From last year, I let them grow. I didn't cure them. I didn't cut off. I just left the stem down there. When springtime coming, they grow again. Look at hot pepper. See the hot pepper, guys. Hot pepper start bloom up. Start bloom up right now. Yes. This tree right here, you can eat all year long. I got two. You can eat all year long. This is how much they're gonna grow. A lot hot pepper for you. This is about to grow. Look at you guys. Look at this is hot pepper about to grow up right now. Look at that. You can eat for 2 years. Organic, and you can do on your own. You can plant on your own. I love the garden. When we come to the poison tree, I gotta let it go right away. I love the tree, and something you have to benefit. You can eat and enjoy them at the same time. Yes. And kale lime leaf. Kale lime leaf, you guys. The benefit you can eat, you can make use the leaf to make the herb, the lard. Put lard. It's soup, curry soup too. This one, panda. I grow my own panda. When I want to make a tea, I can just pick up 3-4 leaves and make tea on that. Even though you can make shampoo. Believe me or not, I blend it. I take the 4 leaf and blend it, make a shampoo and put it in my hair. My hair is so soft and nice and black and shiny. Very good. Aloe vera. My friend she went to San Francisco and she gave it to me just tiny bit, and I just tried to grow them from last year. This is 1 year. And look at you guys. The baby, look at the baby. They grow a lot. The baby, oh my God. This is like I just see the 3 days ago. Crazy, the baby. I love it. Love it. This is avocado tree. You know, I eat a lot of avocado. I heard people say they can grow the seed from the seed avocado. And what I did, I keep the seed. I moist with the paper towel and put in a Ziploc bag. 3 weeks later, they grow for me. They grow the roots, grow the tree. So I put on the dirt. Look at how they grow for me. We'll see how much they can grow and I can eat the fruit or not. I have to try. This is first time for me, everything. This is another one. This avocado. I got 2. I try second seed again. They grow for me again. So easy to grow avocado. And I must grow them, see if they can grow for me. I can eat the fruit or not. We'll see, you know. I have to try. But I love the tree anyway. This is guava, you guys. Here we go again. I eat the seed and eat the guava fruit and keep the seed, and then moist them in a paper towel and put the Ziploc bag. They grow again, just like how to grow a bean sprout. I say, oh my God, they grow for me, so I gotta put on the dirt and how much they grow for me. This is 1 year ago. How big is that? You know, guava leaf. You can benefit from the leaf. Make the leaf. You know, you can take the leaf and boil the tea. Look at how beautiful is that. And they say, you know, guava leaf is so good for you to make the tea. So I'm trying to grow the best I can. I love the tree anyway. Peppermint. You know, peppermint. Why I call peppermint? You know, when you eat them, they're spicy like a mint. Like a peppermint. You know how you eat the candy, like peppermint candy is spicy just like that. I grow them, they grow crazy. I don't know what to do, but they say they make medicine. I don't know what to do. I just grow them in big bush. You got big bush. Kale lime leaf. This is kale lime leaf. It's the second one I have. I love the tree so much because I can eat this tree. Benefit, I eat this tree. Love this, love this. And this one, aloe from Laos. We call makok. Look at that. Look at the baby. They grow. They grow all year long. This one never stop growing. And look at the fruit. Look at the fruit. That's a big one. Look at another one. Another one. And this is new flower start growing the fruit again. That's why I say this tree they keep growing all year long. So the fruit you can eat them. And you can eat the leaf too. You know when I eat doo-doo or eat salad, this leaf kind of sour. I pick up and eat it. I eat everything. Benefits to me, everything. Jasmine flower. Benefit, you can make tea, jasmine tea. And I let them grow. They just grow up. Beautiful, smells so good. Jasmine tea tree. smells so good. Oh. This is the Bai Nang Lert. Everything I plant, you can eat them. You can eat them. Look at that. You can eat them. Eat with everything. You can make a soup. They herb. This is herb. Just a flower. Just a flower and make it beautiful. They call loyalty flower. You know the king loyalty. They love to plant this flower. They call king flower. So okay, flower, beautiful. I keep it. Pomegranate tea. I mean pomegranate leaf. You know pomegranate. You can eat the fruit. There's a benefit everything. The leaf right here, we make a tea too. I remember my mother make a tea. It smells so delicious. Pomegranate tea leaf. One jasmine flower. They have two different types. This is thick type. Beautiful. When they grow, then they open up. Smells so good. Smell beautiful in the house. Smells so good. Jasmine tree, guys. Persimmon tree. My friend gave it to me. I'm trying to grow them. See if they grow the fruit for me, and I try to grow them and take care of them. If they can grow the food, see what can I do? I love the tree. Look at how beautiful it is. They have the fruit about 2 times, 2 fruit, and they fell. So I didn't know how to take care of them. So let's see, give them a chance to grow the fruit for me. So I'll grow in the bucket. I grow in the bucket, 8-gallon bucket. See what happened. Banana tree, you guys, banana. One banana tree, and they grow the baby. They grow a lot of baby. Yes, I have a good hand. I plant everything. They grow everything for me. Wow, it's crazy, beautiful. Love it, love it. Love it, banana tree. See the baby? 1 baby, 2 baby, 3 baby. If my friend want one banana tree, I will give it to them because too many baby in here. I got 8-gallon bucket. So see how much they can grow. If they can grow banana for me, oh, that would be special. I cannot wait to see that. Look at that. Okay, you guys, I'm gonna share with you because this is so special home garden, and you always benefit. Feel good to plant them and enjoy them. Take a look. You know, they're just a good eyesight for you and give you good energy and to see them and talk to them. Special hot pepper. You don't have to go out and buy. You can oil your own hot pepper, organic, and you feel good because you plant your own plant, so you can eat. You don't feel guilty. I get ready up. You guys like this video, thumbs up, subscribe. You know I have more video, home plant, home garden. Anything make you happy, do it, because life all about always do something. Keep yourself busy, especially the plant. Keep yourself occupied and get busy and feel good. Alright, see you guys later. Bye.